Why James Hardie is better than stucco? Stucco is going to be more expensive. It's a more labor-intensive product to install, messier as well. If it's both of them, it's important that the application is done correctly, but you really have two different skill sets and two different tradesmen, in my opinion. Hardie's great because, well, we do the Color Plus system, so it's a pre-finished system. Once we have it installed, then you don't have to worry about paint or any other type of pulling in another contractor for anything. It's turnkey once it's in there, and you got lots of colors to pick from. It's a finished product. It's not going to take as long or make quite the mess. Yeah, stucco is becoming more and more less used, in my opinion. And I don't typically have to convince homeowners one way or the other. Stucco can be is a really great product if it's as long as it's installed properly and they use good materials. It becomes difficult or more costly to maintain over time. And Hardie, being a fiber cement product, the durability is it's outstanding, and it's much more easy to maintain. And with the pre-finished systems, like I said, it's more turnkey, and there seems to be more design options. If you use the James Hardie, they have different profiles and features, where with stucco you get a stucco look, and some people like that look and others don't. But for the most part, it's not too big of an argument or conversation. People either want to stick with stucco and they understand the cost or what goes into the application and the maintenance of that, or they've heard about it. We can show them the James Hardie fiber cement product, and then the choice becomes pretty clear.